This is the hog heart that we have been dissecting in class. No labels are on here, and I am going to be recording it from different angles for you to quiz yourself.
That's a good thing to put on. Yeah, because you know sometimes you don't remember what chapter it was. That's right. We'll go through this. You may have to, when you send it over to the printer. I put it on stick to fill that thing. Do that. Clear about the order.
When we put the chapter numbers, we put 05. That's what keeps it.
Good point. That's right. We can always rename the files when we get to that point.
Here we have the base of the heart. Will be this upper area. Apex of the heart. Left auricle. Right auricle. This item right here. The inside of the heart. You have the right atrium. These are the tendinase. Right ventricle. Interventricle septum. Right down in there is your left atrium, bicuspid valve, left ventricle, tendineae caudinae. It's this item right here. Okay. Your papillary muscles is this little bottom half right there. That's attached to the tendineae concarneae. Okay. The upper part of the heart, you have your pulmonary trunk, ascending aorta. Okay. Pulmonary ascending aorta. Okay, we'll flip the heart around.
You guys having a good day over there?
This is your supravena cava. And then your infra. I have little tubes kind of holding everything open here.
That is so cool.
There you go. That's your infravena cava. So posterior part of the heart. Supra, infra, ascending aorta, pulmonary. Okay. Flip the heart around. You know, the right side has the tricuspid valve, and the left side has the bicuspid valve. So, there is your heart.
Oh, yeah, I know that. Yeah. That's the Hungarian waltz.